California-based electric vehicle manufacturer has claimed to be the world's first solar electric powered SUV, has named the Humble One. In high tide of electric vehicles across the world, it is now quite real as most manufacturers are now switching to EVs and planning their future goals on electric vehicles. Humble One is not only the first passenger vehicle to have solar panels on the top roof, but also the new Hyundai Sonata and Karma Revero come have it. An ample charging infrastructure of ending dependency on conventional engines to generate power and reduce carbon emissions. One can manufacturer has set a mission to use solar energy to charge up its electric vehicles. Humble Motors, a California-based electric vehicle company, has showcased its electric solar car SUV Humble One. The company is founded in 2020 by industry veterans, includes Formula One racer car designer. But in the adverse, the electric SUV replaces the sunroof on top and puts a panel that has a photovoltaic cell to deliver energy to the vehicle. It will be able to recharge itself even on the running. electricyug concerns about the environmental changes and puts little efforts to promote electric vehicles and renewable energy sources that have much major benefit to the environment from electric vehicles, replacing by traditional petrol-diesel engines. Humble One solar powered electric car has a solar roof on top, electricity generating side lights, peer-to-peer charging, regenerative braking, and also includes fold-out solar array rings. This technology helps to generate electricity and to recharge the battery while being parked. These produce approximately 96 km of range per day, whereas figures may be varied depending on how much sunlight they get every year at different places. The Humble One features more than 80 square feet of photovoltaic solar roof panels. These solar panels capture solar energy and transform it to electrical energy that can be used to propel the electric motors. According to the company, you can get 805 km range of the vehicle and the maximum power output from the Humble One can produce 1020 horsepower of power. The Humble One SUV is so aerodynamic that it is 0.25 drag coefficient. The Humble One concept SUV is 5029 mm in length and it weighs 1814 kg. This is a 4-door 5-seat SUV with attractive specifications enough to excite a lot of car enthusiasts. The range which they are claiming is better than what other electric vehicles currently provides across the globe. However, Humble Motors has not revealed the technology which they are using for the Humble One. We think we have to wait to know more about it. Another question is that how to charge this solar powered electric SUV. Well, you don't have to find a plug somewhere. As long as there is a sun shining above, you don't need to wait for charging stations. So, people are buying Humble One. The company says that more than $20 million have been received in the pre-booking for electric SUV. At last, Humble One solar electric car is still a concept design. It is more promising for future of automobile industry, which is moving towards electrifying the automobiles. Not only this type of concept reduces dependency on conventional fuel-generated vehicle, but also it has a benefits for the human beings. Team Electric wishes to Humble Motors.